Hello guys, Flash here from Review. Today we're going to discuss about Baby BNB. This token hasn't even launched yet. As you guys can see over here, Baby BNB. It is an Everrise fork. It's going to be launching today in about 6 hours. I'm going to give you guys the full information about this token. And so here on the website, scrolling a bit down about Baby BNB. It wants to be honor BNB as a currency on the Binance Smart Chain, the cryptocurrency at this moment still to tie to BTC, including BNB, but there will be a point that they will go their separate ways. This last month, BNB has become stronger and stronger. BNB is still in its infancy. It will take time to compete at the same level with Ethereum. So the core functions of Baby BNB are a buyback function, a passive distributed yield, whereby 2% of every transaction equally will be distributed to BNB holders. You are earning passive money, and the buybacks and burn feature will stimulate a more stable price movement in time. You'll be able to buy it on PancakeSwap. Make sure the slippage is on 11%. As we can see over here on the tokenomics, 10% tax per transfer, 2% holder fee, 5% buyback fee, 3% marketing fee, and 1% it goes to PancakeSwap. There are private sale for marketers, FCFS, so this first come first served, list limit spots of 0.75 BNB and whitelist pre-sale of 0.25 BNB. You can see here the numbers 0.5 BNB and 0.75 BNB. We can also check them on Telegram over here, so let me just real quick check them on the Baby BNB announcement channel. You can see every announcement they do. Also, let's join the Telegram group. So it's going to open over here. You can see the launch is going to be at 4 p.m. UTC. Sorry, the Telegram group having already 2,000 members. With that being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, don't forget to notifications, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Flash out.